Hello students, welcome back again. In this video also we are going to discuss type 1 example, particular integral type 1 example, particular integral type 1 example. What is particular integral type 1 example? So the right side, the phi of x is a exponential e raised to ax divided by function of d. So how to evaluate this kind of uh, functions, that is exponential by function of d, is we will keep it numerator as it is divided by, in the denominator this d is replaced by this a value, that is function of a, to find out particular integral. Okay, let's solve this example first. And also you remember that the first term in the right side containing exponential function, but the second term is a hyperbolic function. So how to evaluate or how to convert cos hyperbolic x in terms of exponential is very simple. So we write uh, cos hyperbolic ax as e raised to ax plus e raised to minus ax divided by 2. So take a value is 1. Cos hyperbolic 1x, or just x, becomes e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2. So in place of hyperbolic, we will write exponential function. So let us solve this equation. So it is already in the standard form. The standard form is function of d into y is equal to phi of x. So let us write the auxiliary equation, students. Auxiliary equation is 4m square minus 1 is equal to 0. 4m square minus 1 equal to 0, then 4m square equal to 1. Since it is a quadratic equation, so directly we will solve this. So what is m square, student? M square is 1 by 4. So what is the value of m? Plus or minus square root of 1 by 4. So m is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. So here the roots are plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. So they are different roots. With respect to this, what is the complementary function is c1 e raised to 1 by 2x plus c2 e raised to minus 1 by 2x. So this is the complementary function. So what is the particular integral? As we know that since it is a non-homogeneous, so it has sum of complementary function as well as particular integral. Let us find out particular integral yp. Yp means in this equation keep y as it is. Y ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು. 4d square minus 1 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ e raised to x by 2 plus 12 into this cos hyperbolic x ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನ e raised to x plus e raised to minus x divided by 2 ತರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay, whole divided by, ಇದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, that is 4d square minus 1. Okay, fine. Now let us take some different color. Okay, now here 2 ones are 2 6, so it will become yp is equal to e power x by 2 divided by okay, first I will write, then we'll take it separate. 6 into e power x is 6 e power x plus 6 e power minus x divided by 4d square minus 1. Now Look at carefully. Numerator is a sum of three terms divided by function of d. In each case, the coefficient of x in the exponential first term is x by 2, means coefficient of x is 1 by 2. Here the coefficient of x is 1. Here the coefficient of x is minus 1. So I am going to take these separately. That is e raised to x by 2 divided by, this is 4d square minus 1 plus 6 times of e raised to x divided by 4d square minus 1 plus 6 times of e raised to minus x divided by 4d square minus 1. Okay. Now look at this example carefully. As I told you already, this is a type 1 example. Okay. It is a type 1 example. Here the value of a is 1 by 2. Here the value of a is 1. Here the value of a is minus 1. Just compare with e raised to ax. E raised to ax, a value is 1 by 2, 1 and minus 1. So what we need to do is here. So first, as I told you already, to find out the particular integral, as numerator is exponential divided by function of t, what we need to replace, student, here? Replace d by a in the first term, d by a in the second term, a is equal to 1, d by a is equal to minus 1 in the third term. And look at in the first term, keep it numerator e raised to x by 2 as it is, divided by 4. D value is, D is replaced by A. A value is what? 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 whole square minus 1. You can put in the bracket, the denominator. Plus 6 times of e raised to x divided by 4 into A value is 1. So substitute D by 1. 1 square minus 1. So next, in the last term, plus 6 into e raised to minus x divided by 4. What is the value of, we are going to replace d by a. A value is minus 1. This is minus 1 whole square minus 1. Fine. Now, what we need to do is, so just let us take a moment, students. Okay, let us minimize this first. Fine. Now, look at here. In the first term, d into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. 4 get cancelled. 1 minus 1 is, the first term, denominator becomes 0, students. Denominator is 0. Okay. So in the second term, this is 4 minus 1 is 3. Again 4 minus 1 is 3. Oh, it is not affecting us. So in case of denominator is 0, what we are doing is, we are going to multiply numerator by independent variable x, and we keep e raised to x by 2 as it is, divided by, we are going to differentiate the denominator. Let's go back here, differentiate the denominator. Differentiation of 4d square is 8d. 8d. Differentiate denominator with respect to d. Again minus 1 is, which is 0. Plus in the second term 6 into e raised to x divided by this total becomes 3. Plus again e raised to minus x divided by minus 1 whole square is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 ones are 3 twos are. So look at once again. You keep x as it is. So again it is e raised to x by 2 divided by 8d student. This is plus 2 e raised to x plus 2 e raised to minus x. Look at here again it is a type 1 example. Again exponential divided by function of t. So as usual again replace d by a is equal to 1 by 2. A coefficient of x is 1 by 2. So therefore this is x is as it is. You keep it as it is and into e raised to x by 2 divided by 8 into d value is 1 by 2. You write the other two as it is. 2 e raised to x plus 2 e raised to minus x. This is 2 ones are 2 fours are. So this is itself is the yp. Okay. Student, you must concentrate. The denominator is not equal to 0. Therefore, the general solution is, what is the general solution? General solution is y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So what is the complementary function? Complementary function is here. That is yc is c1 e raised to 1 by 2x plus c2 e raised to minus 1 by 2x plus particular integral is x e raised to x by 2 divided by 4, okay, plus 2 e raised to x plus 2 e raised to minus x. Thank you so much for watching. Students will meet in the next video.